On your smartphone, go to App Store or Play Store. Search for the Zoom app. All you have to need, install Zoom Workplace on your smartphone. Once it's installed, launch the Zoom app. If your first time, go ahead and sign in to your Zoom account. Now to host a new meeting, tap on Meet. And here, you can turn on video. You can use personal meeting ID from here. Then tap on Start a Meeting. And now tap on Start. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully started a Zoom meeting. Now if you want to add participants to your meeting, tap on your screen to make this menu visible. Tap on Participants. Tap on Invite. And now select any option to send invitation of your Zoom meet. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.